It's Saturday and Jake had to work, but when he gets home, we're gonna head over to my mother-in-law's house. We're going there for dinner. And yes, I need to redo my nails before we leave. For now, Mama needs a shower, so I'm gonna go ahead and get that done. They're pretending to take selfies. That is hilarious. You guys are so cute.
Yeah.
I need to figure out like a tripod to put my camera on, but I'm out of the shower. I need to go finish my nails before Jake gets home. I have no idea what time he's getting off. I'm hoping he gets off early today, since it is Saturday. Jake's home from work, he's showering, got my nails done. I went with this like dark turquoise color. Kind of strange for like summertime, but I love it. I think it's super cute. So we're gonna do a quick, I'm gonna do a quick house cleanup and then we're gonna head on the road. We're gonna head out. We're gonna, what? Like house cleanup and then we're gonna head out. I know we're gonna be eating soon, but I need a snack. I have this clear case that I keep the toggle for my vlog camera in. I do not know where it is. Not good. Okay, that took forever because we had to switch the kids' car seats from my car into Jake's truck. What do you think, Maggie? Hi, Maggie. Say hi, Mima.
Big to you. That's Jake doing. Not near as bad as it.
I got a squeeze out here.
Oh my goodness.
And
Mima, Mike's garden is huge. Look at all those tomatoes.
Yeah, that's mine.
Look at all those K-Cats.
Really, don't trip up. This way, baby. You're gonna go in there and dump it? Okay. Move. Oh. Willie. Okay, step back and let him eat it. Want to dump the rest of this? Get back.
Good job. Shut the door before the chickens get out.
Yeah, gotta get the door shut. Come on.
Good job, Moo.
Come on, baby. I got your toy, honey. Oh, thanks.
what?
Do we need to get cows and chickens?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get pigs too.
Ugh, no way. Ew.
This way, sis. I wake up in the middle of the night with a tick crawling on me.
A lot of rain. Yeah. Kind of hard to mow. Put a hoodie in the rain. Yeah. Perfect.
And I just won. That's all you need to know. Is it good, Stetson?
Got hat hair on, son.